Okay.
Do 2, go down to 2, go down to 2. Hi, my name's Ellen Bennett, and I'm a chef.
Hi, my name is Marina, and I'm 9 years old. I'm gonna be here by myself, and Ellen's gonna be in another room telling me what to do.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Let's do it! Okay, see you soon. Today we're gonna be making a cookie recipe that I developed with dried apricots, sesame seeds, pecans, and a bunch of other really delicious ingredients.
At home, I do not bake a lot from scratch. I've done my easy bake one. I made icing in it, and it didn't work out. I burned it.
I have a lot of friends that have kids, and I like to cook with their kids, but this is the first time I've ever done it in a sort of professional setting. Okay, Marina, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you so excited?
Yes.
Do you need to do a little jiggle just to get out all the shakies?
Okay.
Perfect, let's do this. So I want you to grab the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Yep.
Okay, got them.
Perfect.
Do I put the whole thing of the flour?
The whole thing.
Okay.
You got this.
Oh, God.
Keep going. Don't even worry about making a mess.
What do I put next?
Next, take those 2 little guys, the baking soda, and then the salt. Awesome.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna use that big, giant, red standing mixer. Lift it open, yep. And now I want you to take the butter and see that red spatula on the right?
Yes.
You're gonna take it and you're going to scrape it into the big, giant standing mixer. You're good. Perfect. Okay, now you're gonna grab the brown sugar and the white sugar.
Okay.
That's the one. You want to put that whole thing in. First steps completed, so now, quality control. How's the quality on that sugar?
Really good.
Those chocolate chips look like they need some inspection.
Okay.
Get in there. What do you think, boss?
Good.
Good. Check. So now you're gonna close up that mixer. So I want you to turn it on to about 2.
Okay.
You're gonna let that go and go and find the vanilla
I can't
extract.
hear you.
Can you hear me now?
What?
Find the vanilla extract.
Found it.
So we're not gonna add it until it gets creamy, okay?
Okay. I have not used the mixer before. I thought I was just gonna use a spoon to mix everything, but the mixer is easier.
Turn it off. Now grab your red spatula, and now you're just gonna push along the sides so we make sure that all the butter and sugar is combined. Does it look combined?
Yes.
Fluffy?
Yeah, it's really fluffy.
So now we're going to take the vanilla extract and put it in there and mix it for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
At first I didn't quite know what she was doing, and then I realized she's just counting. I love that. I love that she figured out her own tactic, she figured out her own way, and she made it work.
It's been 30 seconds.
Okay, turn it off.
Okay.
How's it looking? Does it look combined?
Yes.
Perfect. Best student ever.
Am I your only student?
Yeah. Next up, find the egg.
Okay, found it.
Now you're gonna take one of those bowls right in front of you, and you're gonna crack it in there.
Okay.
A little harder.
Okay, got it.
Perfect. So now we're going to add that to your mix. So we're gonna turn it on. Perfect. Now go ahead and add that egg.
Okay.
Slide it in.
The mixer is really mixing it really good.
Good work, mixer. We're gonna let it go a little bit longer.
24, 25,
58, 59, 60. Turn it up.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take that big bowl of all of our, what did we call all those ingredients on the right side?
The dry ingredients?
Bingo! And you're gonna pour them all in at once.
A little bit did fall out.
That's okay. Good work. Okay, so grab the bench scraper and just scrape up that last bit of flour.
I didn't know what a bench scraper was. It made things a lot easier than just scraping it with my hand.
We're gonna mix it for about a minute here. You can
Number
do
2,
between
right?
2 and 4, but start at 2.
Okay.
Do 2, go down to 2, go down to 2.
I was actually doing 2. So I
Really?
came down to 1. When the flour went out of the mixer, I didn't know that was supposed to happen. And I cranked it down to 1, then stuff got way easier.
Good thinking on your toes. That was great. Pivoting and being flexible in the kitchen is super important because you just never know what's gonna come up. And she just knew, you know what? It's too fast. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. And those are just little notches of confidence that she's gaining. We are going to add all those ingredients you see there. Remember the chocolate chips you inspected earlier?
Yeah,
And the dried apricots that you inspected earlier?
yeah.
So we want to throw all of those in. Now the pecans, wheat germ. It was so fun seeing her try all these new things that she's never seen before. And then she would taste it, and she's gonna see all the different variety that she can use in a cookie. And you could just tell that she was feeling more and more comfortable every step of the way. Okay, you can turn it off now.
There's a lot of chunks of
So many chunks.
the ingredients that we put in.
That looks really good.
It does.
What we're gonna do now is we're going to chill the dough. Get that little red spatula, and I want you to scrape off everything that's stuck to that paddle.
Wow, there's a lot of things stuck in it.
And now you can go on the side. Yep, you got it. You're so good.
I learned from the best. I never knew I could actually bake.
And you're really good at it.
That's a bit surprising. She is really funny, and I like how she guides me through everything. That's a lot of dough.
Yeah, we made a lot of cookie dough.
Now it looks kind of different than how it was before.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah,
You did that.
I can't believe I did it.
I'm giving you 10 gold stars in the air right now.
I'm giving you 10 gold stars for helping me.
Oh, yay!
I think that's it.
All right, go take that to the fridge.
Okay.
Okay, Marina, let's do this. We're gonna make some cookie balls. Grab that scooper, get in there. Roll that together, pretend like it's Play-Doh.
I love playing with Play-Doh.
Me too. You're gonna take those white sesame seeds and the black sesame seeds, mix them together. Awesome. Now give it a little shakeroo. Now you're gonna put that ball in there and just coat it with sesame seeds.
Okay.
So it's like sprinkles, but healthier and more texture. Now put that on your Silipat.
Here?
A little bit in.
Here?
Yep, perfect.
I made a snowman with them,
I love it.
but I have to separate them.
It's true. They can come together later.
I'm gonna make the biggest cookie.
Do it, do it.
Wow, I think I got too much. This one needs a lot of sesame seeds.
A lot of sesame seeds. That one might take a bit longer to bake because it's so much bigger than all the other ones.
Not a lot bigger.
A little bigger. So now we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And
Okay.
we want it to be golden brown, a little bit squishy in the middle, but not too squishy.
Yeah.
All right, take those cookies and head to the oven.
Okay.
I'll be here.
Okay.
All right, Marina, let's do this. Last step, you're gonna scoop them up and put them on the cooling rack.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. And now my last really big one. Are you ready to come out and taste these cookies?
Yes, I'm coming. Marina, you did it. Oh, we nailed it.
Thank you.
I'm so excited to try these. Are you?
Yes.
As professional residents of the kitchen, it's important that we plate them. Got a little plate, and then last but not least, milk. Get in there. You're the expert.
Okay.
Ooh, do you feel that texture? Nice and soft in the middle. Grab your cookie.
This one.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my cookie. Cheers to successful cooking together.
Okay. That is really good.
This was delicious. You did such a good job.
Thanks.
I think Marina's on the right track to doing a lot more baking in her future. I could tell, there was a sparkle in her eye.
I would give Ellen 100 gold stars for how good she did. I do think we make a good team.
My name is Ellen Bennett, and I am a chef.
My name is Marina, and I'm now a chef too.
Yes!
Oh, yes!